Hello everybody, welcome to this new series. I call it aircraft, described in 10 words or less. This one is the Airbus version. So let's get started. Airbus A220, off-brand Boeing 737 and jets by Embraer. Airbus A320, the plane who started everything. Airbus A310, shorter version of the A320 but with stuff. Airbus A318, it's just me, that's it. Airbus A319, it's identical to the A318. Airbus A320, the leader of the A320 family. Airbus A321, off-brand A340. Airbus A330.
150, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Butter.
Airbus A340 to 300, long plane with tiny engines. Airbus A340 to 600, longer plane with larger engines. Airbus A350-900, cool plane but has problems. Airbus A350-1000, pretty much the same thing as the 900. Airbus A380, this plane has one variant which is the 800 variant. Airbus A400, TFS plane, there I said it. Airbus A320 Saint, Dreamlifter version of the A320. Airbus Beluga XL, the butter machine has turned into a whale. Here's a few bonuses. Airbus A318 Neo. What? I'm gonna scream. Sorry headphone users. Airbus A319 Neo, Baby Bus Neo. Airbus A320 Neo, the leader but with an upgrade. Airbus A321 Neo, off-brand A340 but with a new look. And finally Airbus A330 Neo. Beg for a Boeing version, lol. Bye.